Didn't know that, did you?
Okay, Jim, thank you for having you here. So, please introduce yourself briefly.
Okay, I'm Jim. I come from Australia. I'm a product development and manager for a small group of Australian companies.
May I ask you a question? Why would you choose Dongji as your supplier?
We searched for suppliers in China for a number of years, and we have visited several factories that do sheet metal, and this factory has provided us with everything we need compared to the other factories. Almost every operation is under one roof, and the product quality is amazing.
Glad to hear that. Thank you. When you are choosing supplier, what kinds of abilities or service you are most concerned about?
Mainly, there's a few things. Number one is the ability to work with our engineers and designers on products. Number two is the quality of the equipment and the staff, so that we know that we're able to achieve the results we want. And number three is a good location, so that we're close to ports and easy to export.
Since our population already have years, what kind of new service do you expect for our future operations?
There really isn't anything that I would change. We're very happy with everything that happens here, and I've got no suggestions for improvement because I think it's perfect.
Oh, really, thank you for the high compliment.
I mean it. Except for Jason, he's no good.
You always satisfy our quality, our members,
Everything,
our teamwork.
Everything. It's not, I can't fault it. And we work together so well. And what I don't know, Mr. Chai picks up. What I miss, Jason lifts everything. Everyone involved lifts us, the whole lot of us.
Could you use 3 words to describe your expressions to Dongji?
First and foremost, friendly.
Friendly.
Professional, and efficient.
Oh.
That's what I think.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Jim. Thank you for your time for interviews. Let's working together to make the great things happen.
Yep, for sure.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.